everybody, today we're going to be looking at the Lynx system from Victron and talking about why it's the ideal solution for your DC distribution. Cable management is a really important part of your electrical system design. Excessive cable lengths, poor routing or even bad connections can cause you no end of issues, so it is well worth getting your distribution right the first time round. Victron's Lynx range is here to help. They'll keep things tidy, and they've also got plenty of additional features that I'm going to talk you through in our video today. At the heart of it, the Lynxes are a range of positive and negative distribution bus bars. They're rated for either 500 or 1000 amps at up to 60 volts DC, and because it's Victron, you know that the rating written on the front of the box is something that it's going to live up to. The Lynx range comes in either M8 or M10 bolts. For example, you'd use the M10 range with the new NG batteries, and they're all very modular, so you can easily connect one Lynx to another. When you get to the end of your string, you've then got these little plastic caps which you put on your last Lynx, and these will protect them from accidental short circuit across the connection there. Now the housing itself is IP22 rated, and you'll see that your cables very neatly route out of the bottom to allow for easy cable management. Now the Lynx distributor is the core module of this range. This is an all-in-one fused bus bar for both positive and negative connections on your DC system. The distributor uses mega fuses which insert between the positive cable connection and the positive bus bar. There's then the negative connection to the negative bus bar underneath, which is insulated and separated by the protective plastic housing. You've also got the Lynx power in, which is essentially the same but without the fusing and the circuitry, and also the Class T power in, which, you've guessed it, takes a Class T fuse. Now, if you're looking to monitor your batteries, and particularly on a bigger system, then the Lynx Smart BMS, which is used for Victron lithium batteries, or the Lynx Shunt, which is used for any other type of non-CAN bus battery, is what you can insert into the middle of your Lynx system here. The batteries go onto the left-hand side as the input, and then all of your loads and chargers belong on the right-hand side here. And again, it's modular, so you can stack up your distributors on each side depending on the size of your system. With this in place, it allows you to monitor your batteries either via the Victron Connect app on Bluetooth, or if you plug in to the CAN port on your GX device, you can monitor it remotely and on your console just there. Now, when connected to a shunt, a Lynx Shunt or a Lynx BMS, you can use the supplied RJ10 connectors to actually power up your Lynx distributors. This means that when a fuse blows, it will light up in red, and this will also report onto Victron Connect and remotely onto VRM. This could save you a lot of time. If you're hunting for a fuse, you haven't got to take the cases off. You can simply see which one is blown by which one is lit up. You can monitor up to 4 distributors on the load and charger side, which gives you a maximum possibility of 16 fuses, 16 inputs or outputs to measure on your system. So it should be really clear now why the Lynx range is your go-to for DC distribution, especially if you're building a larger system. This product range will help tidy up your distribution, enhance your system monitoring, and help you save a lot of time when it comes to troubleshooting.